Let's look at our first GPT plugin from Plugin Store. Ask Your PDF. Ask Your PDF is your gateway to dynamic, interactive, and intelligent conversations with any PDF document. The aim of this plugin is transforming the way you interact with PDFs powered by ChatGPT. Now let's enable Ask Your PDF plugin and see how we can use it to interact with a Tesla earnings PDF example. An earnings report is an official financial document issued by a public company that shows expenses, earnings, and overall profit of the company for a quarterly period. This document we are looking at is 30 pages long. Now let's ask ChatGPT our first query via Ask Your PDF plugin. Can you tell me about this financial report? When you see a toggle icon with text using Ask Your PDF implies ChatGPT is making use of plugin Ask Your PDF. As we discussed in last video, you can use a maximum of 3 plugins at a time. After the plugin has computed results, for your task you will see using Ask Your PDF will change to used Ask Your PDF and display results in your ChatGPT user interface. Here, now let's ask Your PDF a follow-up question. Can you create a table with vehicle type and amount delivered in current queue and what street was expecting? As you can see, if ChatGPT plugin Ask Your PDF is being used to compute results for our query, and we are seeing again while the result is computed a toggle icon, and as soon as result is computed using Ask Your PDF will change to used Ask Your PDF and display results in your ChatGPT user interface. Have seen sometime where there is a overload on plugin server side, it prints an appropriate user-facing message and would retry a couple of times. Retry was success and now generated the table we requested it. It also mentions report does not provide information on what the street was expecting for Q1 2023. And we need to provide additional data sources, and also has listed PDF page in report where this table data was fetched from. This use case may be useful for day traders or financial analysts when there are conflicting earnings call. Let's move to the next follow-up question after current quarter earnings data. Next obvious question analysts and individual investors have for firms, CEO and CFO is what's outlook for next quarter and any change guidance for rest of the year? As you can see from previous example, while the result is computed a toggle icon is seen, and as soon as result is computed using Ask Your PDF will change to used Ask Your PDF and display results in your ChatGPT user interface. As we can see, it's generating the data we had requested about outlook for Tesla in 2023. The result generated has information about volume, cash, profit, and product along with page number where information which was retrieved by Ask Your PDF. Now let's go back to PDF and confirm this page number printed by Ask Your PDF is correct. Another follow-up question we are asking Ask Your PDF is about has there been any additional information about superchargers in the earnings report? The response from Ask Your PDF about superchargers was it still a relatively small part of the business which continued to grow as they gradually open up the network to non-Tesla vehicles. As per information found on page 9. Let's head to report to confirm if we can find reference in page to superchargers. Our next follow-up question to Ask Your PDF ChatGPT plugin is about energy and solar. Let's ask our question: does report throw any additional light on Tesla energy storage and solar deployment? Post asking question we are seeing. ChatGPT displaying making use of Ask Your PDF plugin and a toggle icon while it's still computing result. Once result is fetched, it lists metrics. Energy storage deployments increased by 360% year-on-year in Q1 to 3.9 gigawatt, and solar deployments increased by 40% year-on-year in Q1 to 67 megawatt but declined sequentially in the quarter from data fetched from page 9. Now let's try some negative tests to Ask Your PDF. Since we know Tesla does not report country-wise sales data in earnings report, let's ask Your PDF, do we have a split of Tesla revenue by geography in report? Here is response from Ask Your PDF plugin. I'm sorry, but it appears that the Tesla Q1 2023 financial report does not provide a breakdown of revenue by geography. Similarly, let's check geography might not be there if they list country-wise sales data by asking Ask Your PDF, do we know revenue from China, Europe and United States split? Again it responded, I'm sorry, but it appears that the Tesla Q1 2023 financial report does not provide a breakdown of revenue by specific regions such as China, Europe and the United States. You can find the example PDF which was latest Tesla's earnings report below, and also make sure input PDF you are providing is hosted in a content delivery network (CDN) and you can access it in your browser. Hope you enjoyed this lecture on Ask Your PDF ChatGPT plugin.